Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make anime using Animon.ai. So yes, it is AI generated. You're going to go to text to image first, and you're just going to type in the prompt you want. I'll just generate a cat here, which I've done that. Then once you're done, you're going to go to the anime section, and then you can use the quick ideas that they have here. Or you can drag the image that you just generated here as well. I think I'm just going to use quick ideas, so maybe it could generate faster. Let's do this and then just select generate. It's pending. I don't know how long this will take. Okay, 3 minutes. Okay, I'll be right back when the video is done generating, but you can also put in your own prompt. And this is the final result. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!